Thanksgiving is synonymous with turkey, but cooking it doesn't have to be traditional. Chef Stephen Coe, a culinary titan, shares his secret for an air-fried turkey feast. He proves that cooking a turkey in an air fryer can be both delicious and convenient. Imagine biting into crispy skin, with juicy meat just waiting to be savored. Choose the right air fryer, and brands like Masterbuilt can transform your cooking experience. If your kitchen space is tight, Chef Coe offers a delightful stuffed turkey breast recipe. Don't forget to do a test run. Mastering this technique will impress your Thanksgiving guests. Serve your turkey with homemade clean gravy and a zesty cranberry sauce for blissful harmony. This Thanksgiving, awaken your taste buds with these innovative air fryer recipes in the description.